Next, we have the private cloud. So when you take the private cloud, so it is going to be exactly opposite of the public cloud. Okay. So in private cloud means we own our own server, but it can be placed in anywhere. Like so here you can able to see the difference. It can be on-premises private cloud or externally hosted private cloud. So on-premise private cloud means the company will have their own cloud. It can be a centralized or decentralized one. Okay, but why we are mentioning it as cloud is it can be placed in somewhere else. The main head office will be in different location. The server will be in different location, and the user will be in a different location. That we can call it as on-premises private cloud. When you say externally hosted private cloud, they can even purchase it from an external source. The complete server, they can purchase it, and that server will be used only dedicatedly will be used for that organization only. Okay, so that we call it as external hosted private cloud. So here we will get one-on-one environment for each user. We can able to customize it. We decide, okay, whether how much resource to be allocated for which action. Everything will be in completely in our control, so we can maintain our privacy and security as well. Fine. So one of the real-time use case of this private cloud is SBI. So I guess most of you might have having an account in the SBI. If not anyone using the SBI, you might have seen. So SBI is present all over the India. We are using this particular account. Then just imagine how many users will be there, and if for that many users, how many transaction will be happening per second. Even second also, so many transaction will be happening every day. So what SBI is doing is they are having their own private cloud, and it is called as Mehabot, and it runs 7,500 VMs virtual machines. It is running for the financial service application. So so because of this, it is highly retaining the services. Okay, so we can say high availability and high scalability is provided by this SBI. So advantages are listed out here. So one of the advantages better control is there, data security and privacy is there. And then even we can use it for a supporting legacy based system, and we can customize it for our own needs. So these are all some of the advantage. Here also some disadvantages there. So suddenly if we want a server on premises means we cannot able to implement a server, and it is not very less cost. It is very costly to buy a server and configure it. Okay, and infrastructure cost is there, maintenance cost is there. So those will be very heavy.